Welcome to Simply Sim's Kitchen. Today I like to share a simple snack adapted from Netflix Midnight Supper series, Ham Katsu. My version is just to add cheese to the ham katsu. It's a family favorite and super easy, so I hope you try it too. Ingredients are listed in the description. Let's get cooking! Quarter the sliced cheese and keep them in the fridge. Prep the bread station. Take a slice of ham and place a slice of the cheese on top. Then, cover it with another slice of ham to create a sandwich. Now dip the ham and cheese sandwich into the flour. Make sure that it's well coated before dipping into the egg mixture. Finally, coat it generously with the panko breadcrumbs, pressing gently to adhere. Repeat this process with the remaining ham and cheese slices. Keep the breaded ham katsu sandwiches in the chiller till you are ready for frying. Once the oil is hot, carefully place the coated sandwiches into the pan. Keep the heat constant during frying. Fry the sandwiches for about 2 minutes on each side or until they turn golden brown and crispy. Remove carefully from the fryer. Rest them on paper towel-lined plate or tray to absorb any excess oil. Slice the sandwiches to reveal the yummy cheese. The combination of crispy panko breadcrumbs, savory ham, and gooey cheese is simply irresistible. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes.